Technology in banking. The top technologies for 2021 are digital account opening, application programming interface, video collaboration, P2P payments, cloud computing, artificial intelligence. That's going to be the way. Digital account opening, consumer digital account opening is the most popular technology for the fourth year in a row, with banks leading the ways here. For both retail and corporate sides, the pandemic helped to shake up some of the long-held belief that the primacy of the branch when it comes to new account opening. Commercial digital account opening systems for corporate and SMEs will get boost this year, as well as for corporates and SME Doha Bank. The commercial account opening and onboarding experience is one of the biggest pain points remaining in digital experience. When it comes to application programming interface, about speed, agility and personalization. You're dead in the water if it takes 12 months to integrate partners' products and data. The partnership process requires significant time and resources to negotiate legal matters, revenue sharing, pricing, etc. The growth in API development among banks is more focused on efficiency, cost and speed. That's okay, but still it leaves the threats of fintech competitors and opportunities from fintech partnership is unaddressed. Video collaboration. This pandemic made face-to-face interaction difficult, if not impossible, and had accelerated banks to deploy video collaboration tools. 1 in 4 financial institutions are planning to invest for the first time in technology in 2021. This is a signal of big psychological shift for many financial service executives. It's an admission that branches may not as important as a channel as may have believed for so long. It's also a recognition of something I've been saying for a long time. Consumers continue to use branches as little to do with their desire to go for physical locations and a lot to do with their desire to interact with a person. It's not location, it's a personal interaction. That's what it is. So, big psychological shift for many financial services executives. It's an admission branches may not be as important as a channel anymore. Person-to-person payments, P2P payments are happening. P2P payments are certainly growing in popularity among the consumers. Zelle has become the 800-pound gorilla in the space. 800-pound gorilla, with roughly 500 institutions currently offering P2P tools, including nearly all types of 25 largest bank, Zelle. The PayPal application is installed on nearly 2/3 of the smartphone owner's device. Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo are found in few smartphones. It'll be interesting to see in 2021 how the introduction of Google Plex account, Google Plex, will impact a consumer's P2P model. Cloud computing, the percentage of banks that have deployed cloud computing significantly increased in 2020 last year. While there are still holdouts to cloud computing, the general sentiment is the industry has shifted over the past few years to the point where banks believe they are on an inevitable journey to the cloud. The challenge for the tech vendors have morphed, however, from evangelizing the cloud with the claim of faster speed to the market and lower cost of ownership to presenting tangible migration strategies and realistic projections of process and cost impacts. Artificial intelligence, for all types of surrounding artificial intelligence technologies like chatbot, machine learning and robotic process automation, few financial institutions beyond 25 largest are doing with these tools. Deployment of robotic process automation increased significantly last year. However, among banks, only it is being done. So we need more RPAs across all industries with a heavy resilience from the customers not recognizing this change. You will have bigger difficulty in certain pockets of the world. But generally now, everyone is accepting the technology, trusting the technology services, remote control management. Again, the vendors for the technology applications, relatively small IT shops, we are heavily relying on them compared to 25 banks. That's Most mid-sized banks don't have the internal resources to experiment with developed AI-based solutions. AI-based technologies like chatbot, machine learning, robotic process automation, few financial institutions beyond 25 largest. Until then, however, core banking vendors are missing opportunities to help their banks' clients with the innovation agendas. So plenty of action as on date in the world, and let's make sure that's productive and positive through all these technologies. That's the new world, and we are adapting ourselves with the changing face of the world.